So we'll discuss the problems based on Pythagoras theorem. See the first question. State whether the following are the sides of right angle triangle. If so, find the hypotenuse. First question, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Okay, now look. Pythagoras tells you the square of the longest side means 25 square. Square of the longest side equals to sum of the square of other two sides. If these two are equal, then these are the sides of right triangle. So 25 square is 625, 49 plus 5, 76. 625. This is also 625. So these are the sides of the right hand triangle. So hypotenuse means longest side. The hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. So there are 3 more questions you will try to solve. Okay, go to question number 2. PQR is a right triangle, right angled at P. And M is the point on QR. M is the point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR, so that PM square equals to QM into MR. Okay, look at the triangle PQR, right angle at P. This is P, this is suppose Q, this is suppose R. M is a point on QR. M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular. PM is perpendicular to QR. So you have to prove this. Okay. So once it is right angle, this is 1, this is 2. Just like Pythagoras theorem, take RPQ triangle, QM, MR. QM, MR you have to find out. Look, proof. In RPQ triangle, and which one? MRP triangle. MRP triangle. This is P, this is R, this is Q, this is M, this is R, this is P. 90, 90, common angle. Okay. Second right, P angle equals to M angle, R angle equals to R angle. This implies PRPQ triangle similar to RMP triangle. Equation number 1. Okay. Then RPQ triangle and M is 90 degree, M will remain, Q common, Q is here and P is here, P and Q. So what will get? P equals to M, then Q angle equals to Q. Q angle equals to Q. Implies RPQ triangle similar to PMQ triangle. Okay. So now bigger one is similar to 1, bigger one is similar to 2. If you compare 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, what will you get? Comparing 1 and 2, 1 and 2 में PMQ triangle similar to RMP triangle. Okay, 1 equals to 2. So common you try to see here. This is M, MRP, MRP. Then MQP, MQP. So similar. So similar means what you will get? RMYMP Q is there. This is Q. RM by MP equals to MP by MQ. MP by MQ. So cross multiplication. The cross multiplication will give you MP is MP square MQ RM. MQ into RM. So similarity only have to show. Then you see question number 3. Question number 3. In the given figure, ABD is a triangle, right angle at A, and AC perpendicular to BD, so that AB square equals to BC into BD, AC square equals to BC into DC, AD square equals to BD into CD. Three conditions you'll find. Okay, you can find out. Okay, ABD, right triangle at A, ABD, ABD. Okay, AC perpendicular to BD, AC perpendicular BD. Same condition. AB square is BC into BD. Okay, now AB square is BC into BD. AB square is BC into BD. How to find? Look, ABC triangle, A angle 90 degree, take C angle, C B A triangle. CBD, CBA. Okay, A angle equals to C angle, B angle equals to B angle. So what did you get? Which two are similar? You got ABC triangle similar to CBA triangle. Two angles equal हो गया. Okay, then AB by BC, AB by BC, AC by CA, AC equals to BC by ABC, ABD triangle, sorry. ABD triangle, ABD triangle. AB by BC equals to AD by AC, AD by AC, BC by BA. So these two are same. BA you take. So AB by BC, BC by BA implies AB square equals to AB by BC BD by AB square is equal to BD into BC. You got it? So first part you got. AB square is equal to BC into BD. Now you take which one? Big triangle and second triangle. Taking in BAD triangle and BAD triangle and which angle? DD common, CDA triangle, CDA triangle. So you can see the diagram here. So what did you get? BAD DC here A. Okay, angle equals to C angle. This is C. D is this, A is this. Because A angle equals to C angle, D angle common. So A angle equals to C angle, D equals to D. Common, therefore ABD triangle similar to CAD triangle. Corresponding side AB by AC equals to AD by DC equals to BD by AD. AB by AC, AD by DC, BD by AD. So anything common? AD square you are getting. So if I take these two, what will you get? AD square equals to BD into DC. Third part is proved. Okay, second part. For second part, you take these two triangles. So second part is gone. Third part is, look at here, ACD triangle. In ACB triangle, then it is ACD triangle. AC similar, because they are already similar. ACD triangle. So what did you get? AC is here. BC by AD is AB by ABC triangle, AC square, BC, AC square. The C point is here, C is here, D is here, similar. Okay, now check. AC by AD, BC by AC, AB by DC. Now look, AC got here, so you can take these two. Implies AC square equals to AD into BC. So only similarity you have to take. Okay, now see the next question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equals to BC. If AB square equals to 2AC square, prove that ABC is a right triangle. Prove that ABC is a right angle. Okay. AC is equal to BC. AC equals to BC. CJ ये दोनों इक्वल बिकॉज हाइपोटेन्यूज कैन नॉट बी इक्वल. AC equals to BC. So now look here, AB square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to 2AC square. Proof. तो AB square AC square plus AC square, 2AC square you can write AC square plus AC square. So 1AC is equal to BC, you write 1AC is equal to BC. AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So that means this is right triangle. Implies ACB is right triangle and angle C is equal to 90. Okay, then question number 6. Now this is 5 idea. 4 you see. 4 I have not done. 4 is ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Prove that ulta है. Prove that AB square equals to 2AC square. Same thing. Look at here. This is ACB. Hypotenuse cannot be equal. Means these two are equal. So given AC is equal to BC. Now right angle at C means C angle is 90 degree. That means AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. But AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. One AC input is BC is AC. So AB square equals to AC square and AC is equal to BC. So BC में again AC square will write since AC is equal to BC. So implies AB square is equal to 2AC square. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. Find each of its altitude. Altitude means height. Look at here. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. How much? This is 2A, this is 2A, this is 2A. Now altitude means draw AD. You have to find out AD now. Okay. So remember, in the equilateral triangle, perpendicular drawn from vertex bisects the side. Right? In an equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisects the perpendicular from the vertex. Perpendicular from the vertex bisects the base. Means ये equal. So BD is equal to BD equals to DC equals to A. So this become A. Now this is 90 degree. Use Pythagoras theorem. Square of the longest side. AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. So AB, how much you have to write? 2A square. BD is A square plus AD square. Okay, 2A square means 4A square minus A square equals to AD square. AD you have to find out. So 3AD square equals to 3A square. AD is 3A square root of root 3A. Okay, then 7 will start tomorrow. This will take time. You should have patience for this.